was a time in my life where I felt completely, utterly hopeless. Even worse, I think my wife felt the same way.
I went from being told there was nothing I could do to everyone in the world offering some gimmick of a solution. To say I was confused was a huge understatement. I just wanted the truth.
When he finally tried the vacuum therapy device, that was the day I'll never forget. We both felt like it was a new beginning to our lives.
You know, it's not always easy talking about this kind of stuff, but I don't care. I want to tell the whole world about it. No one needs to suffer in silence from ED.
Millions of men worldwide live with erectile dysfunction, commonly known as ED. ED can be caused by a number of health and situational factors. The important thing to know is that most ED can be treated. You don't have to give up on intimacy because of ED. It's unfortunate that many men are embarrassed to talk about ED, especially since ED is very common and most cases can be corrected with just a little advice from your doctor.
Hello, I'm Ken Mitchell, a physician assistant at Woodbury, Minnesota. I've literally treated thousands of men just like you who have erectile dysfunction. First and foremost, I'm here to tell you that there is hope. You can be successfully treated and you should expect to live the normal sexual life that you deserve.
The Osbon Erecade vacuum therapy system is a natural, alternative first-line therapy for ED. It works for over 90% of men regardless of the cause of their ED. However, as with most treatments, the Erecade device is not for everyone. If you're watching this video, your doctor or physician assistant has prescribed the Erecade to manage your ED. So be sure to consult with them before use if you have a history of Peyronie's disease, blood disorders such as leukemia, or if you're taking blood-thinning medications. You should also consult with your doctor or physician assistant before use if you have a penile implant. However, you should also know that the Erecade is an FDA-cleared medical device for the treatment of ED and for use in recovery from prostatectomy. The Erecade is also the first vacuum erection device cleared for use by the FDA. There are no significant risks or side effects when properly used by the general population.
There are some other treatment options out there that work for some men, but not for all. One that everyone has heard about are drugs like Viagra and Cialis. Unfortunately, these drugs do not work for a surprising number of the patients who try them. If you've tried these medications and experienced side effects or have not obtained results, you're not alone. Another treatment option you may be aware of is an injectable drug. Treatment with these medications requires the use of a needle to inject a drug into the shaft of the penis. As you can imagine, most men are reluctant to try this type of treatment. And while the injectable drugs can be a solution for some men, high cost, discomfort, and inconvenience cause most men to seek other types of treatment. The final pharmaceutical treatment option is a product called Muse. This product is a small pellet that is inserted into the penis via a man's urethra, or the opening in your penis where the urine comes out. The drug in Muse can create an erection for some men, but much like the injections for ED, there is often significant discomfort, high cost, and relative inconvenience associated with using this product.
As an expert in the treatment of male sexual dysfunction, I have prescribed all of these treatment options to thousands of men. Each product has a legitimate place in my ED treatment plan, and I work closely with my patients to find the right solution for them and their wives. The Osbon Erecade is a very simple vacuum therapy device that has proven effective for over 30 years. The Erecade works by placing the penis into a cylinder and using a pump to create a gentle vacuum. This vacuum draws blood into your penis and creates a full erection that is maintained by a constriction ring. The fact that the Osbon Erecade is a drug-free, simple, and cost-effective solution to ED is important to many of my patients. However, the fact that the Erecade system is absolutely reliable and extremely convenient is what has caused many of my patients to select the Erecade as their preferred ED treatment solution.
I was diagnosed with diabetes many years ago. As a result, I began to lose my erections at about age 50 or so.
Diabetic men have a very high risk of developing ED. Unfortunately, because of the nature of diabetes, many diabetic men do not get a good response from the ED pills. The Osbon Erecade is an ideal ED treatment option for these men. The Erecade produces reliable erections in diabetic men and does so without the risk of drug interactions or side effects that can occur with other pharmaceutical ED treatments.
Fortunately for us, before surgery, our doctor talked openly about the surgery and the risk of ED following the procedure. He also prescribed the Osbon Erecade as a rehabilitation tool for my husband to use immediately following the operation. Our doctor told us that the FDA has allowed the Erecade to be used to aid in recovery following surgery and that regular use may help with the healing process.
I had been using the Erecade system as directed by my doctor and feel as though I'm starting to recover my erectile function. The great thing is that I can use the Erecade to help in recovery, but I can also use it for intimacy.
In my practice, the Erecade is an important part of rehabilitation after prostate cancer surgery. Recovery from prostate cancer is a difficult process for both the patient and his spouse or partner. The Erecade helps couples regain their full marital lives.
When I think about all of the money I wasted on other ED treatments that didn't work, I think the Erecade is the best money I've ever spent. The cost is low compared to other options, but this product really works. I mean, how often can you get your life back?
While no therapy system is perfect, the Erecade has been proven to work in over 90% of the men who try it. It has a relatively modest price and has allowable coverage provided by Medicare and many private insurance plans.
It's easy to obtain your Erecade and return to a life of intimacy you deserve. Your physician has prescribed this device to help you manage erectile function. Unlike other vacuum erection devices found on the internet or on late-night television commercials, the Erecade is a high-quality medical device, cleared by the FDA for the treatment of ED and the use in recovery from prostatectomy. Confirm your prescription is signed by a physician, then call either your local representative named on the folder or our customer care team at 1-800-438-8592. Our customer care team is ready to help you with insurance questions and payment options.
You know what's great? I don't have to plan when we're intimate. I don't have to worry about what I'm eating that day. Having a drink with dinner or what time of day it is, I like to call it on-demand treatment. And so does my wife.
Whether you have diabetes like me or some other condition causing your ED, you have to know that there's a solution out there for you. Hopefully, my story has had an impact. All you have to do is fill the prescription that your doctor has given you. I feel like I've done my part. Now do yours.
We understand what you're going through. If you have any questions, please call. Tim Medical Representatives help nearly 100,000 men every year. They can help you too. Good luck.
This program is an overview of the Erecade vacuum therapy system and is not intended as a comprehensive instruction on the device. Please refer to the user's guide provided with the system for a complete list of indications, contraindications, precautions, cautions, and warnings, or call Tim Medical at 1-800-438-8592 for more information.